everybody, and welcome to another update from the All Four Seasons. We have a somewhat simple but rather large update to give you guys today. We're going to start off over on the West Coast in Washington State. Over in the mountains, we've got a winter weather advisory that expires in 81 minutes. Total snow accumulations between 6 and 11 inches right through Stevens Pass and Holden Village from 7 a.m. this morning to 4 p.m. Pacific Time Thursday. This is going to make travel difficult. The hazardous conditions could impact the Wednesday evening commute. We've still got that flood warning just north of Shelton for 276 minutes. This is for the Skokomish River at Potlatch affecting Mason County. As we zoom out, we'll see that down in Utah, we've got winter weather advisories straight through the center of the state. Snow is expected with accumulations of 5 to 10 inches, with locally higher totals in the Tushar Mountains and Brian Head area. This goes from 11 p.m. this evening to 11 p.m. Thursday. Over by Montrose and Grand Junction and Blanding, we've got a winter weather advisory. Snow accumulations of 5 to 10 inches with locally higher amounts from 11 a.m. Thursday to 9 a.m. Friday. As we zoom out, we'll take a look at this large area of gray. This area is a dense fog advisory, and we'll just click on some of the areas to touch base on what's going on. This one, down in Oklahoma, has visibility of a quarter of a mile or less in the dense fog. This goes for portions of central, east central, northern, northwest, southeast, southern, southwest, and western Oklahoma and northern Texas. This goes until noon on Thursday. We'll move over towards Kansas City. This one goes for 1,159 minutes. Visibility, again, 1/4 of a mile or less in the dense fog. This one goes for portions of east central and northeast Kansas and central, north central, northeast, northwest, and west central Missouri. This goes until noon on Thursday. We're going to move down towards Springfield. And again, visibility 1/4 of a mile to half a mile in dense fog. This goes for portions of southeast Kansas and central, southwest, and west central Missouri. This goes until noon Thursday. Hazardous driving conditions due to low visibility. As we move a little bit further south, down in Mississippi and Louisiana and a little bit of Texas, we've got some flood warnings and advisories going. This one for 933 minutes. This is for the Trinity River at Riverside affecting Polk, San Jacinto, Walker, and Trinity counties. Moving a little bit more east, this one is just west of Jackson. This is a flood watch for 123 more minutes. This is for portions of central, east central, north central, northeast, south central, southeast, southwest, and west central Mississippi. Down by New Orleans, we've got a flash flood warning. This is for northwestern St. Tammany Parish in southeastern Louisiana, southern Tangipahoa Parish, sorry if I've butchered that, in southeastern Louisiana, Washington Parish in southeastern Louisiana, northwestern Pearl River County in southern Mississippi, and southeastern Walthall County in southern Mississippi until 5:30 p.m. Central. We're going to move over and look at a little bit more of these flood watches. This is for the Birmingham, Alabama area. This expires in 797 minutes. Flooding caused by excessive rainfall continues to be possible. For a portion of central Alabama, including the following counties: Autauga, Bibb, Blount, Calhoun, Chambers, Cherokee, Chilton, Claiborne, Coosa, Dallas, Elmore, Etowah, Fayette, Greene, Hale, Jefferson, Lamar, Lee, Lowndes, Macon, Marengo, and more. If you're around that area, be advised there's flooding in your area. Do not cross roads where you see floodwaters. We're going to zoom down to the New Orleans area again and look at this dense fog advisory in the gray. This goes for 436 minutes. Dense fog will reduce visibility to 1 mile or less. Now we're going to zoom over to the Atlanta, Georgia area, and we've got a dense fog advisory here as well. This one goes for 480 minutes. Visibility of 1/4 of a mile or less in the dense fog for portions of east central, north central, and northeast Georgia. This goes until midnight Thursday night. Hazardous driving conditions due to low visibility. Again, do not go out if you don't have to. It's hard to see and you have a higher potential of being in a wreck. As we zoom out, we'll touch base on some more of these dense fog advisories. One is up by Indianapolis for 480 minutes. Visibility again, 1/4 of a mile or less in dense fog for portions of central, south central, southeast, southwest, and west central Indiana until 10 a.m. on Thursday. We'll zoom over to the Clarksburg and Parkersburg area. We've got a flood watch for 569 minutes. This is for portions of southeast Ohio, including the following counties: Athens, Gallia, Jackson, Lawrence, Meigs, Morgan, Vinton, and Washington, and West Virginia, including the following counties of Barber, Braxton, Cabell, Calhoun, Doddridge, Gilmer, Harrison, Jackson, and Lewis. There are a few more counties if you want to pause and read the rest of the counties. This goes from 7 p.m. this evening through late Thursday night. Now we're going to scroll over to the New York and Allentown area, where we've got another dense fog advisory for 434 minutes. Visibility again is 1/4 of a mile or less in the dense fog. This goes for portions of central, northern, and southern New Jersey, and east central, northeast, and southeast Pennsylvania. This goes until 1 a.m. on Thursday. Now we're going to look at the Concord and Portland area and Plattsburgh. We've got winter weather advisories for 553 minutes. We're expecting a mixed precipitation, total snow accumulations of up to 1 inch, and ice accumulations around 2/10 of an inch. This is for portions of south central, southwest, west central, and western Maine, and northern New Hampshire. This will go until 4 a.m. on Thursday. And we'll zoom up here into the very far northeastern area of our country, and we'll look at Bangor. For 612 minutes, we've got a winter weather advisory. We're expecting again mixed precipitation with total snow and sleet accumulations of up to 1 inch and ice accumulations of up to 1/10 of an inch. Isolated higher amounts of ice in some areas. This goes for portions of central highlands, far eastern, interior, down east, Northwoods, and Penobscot Valley in Maine. This goes from 7 p.m. until 6 a.m. on Thursday. Thanks for stopping in and tuning in to another update from the All Four Seasons